Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to this session of computer. Today we are going to discuss the answers of the concept sheet of chapter number 2, computer network. Okay, so let us start with choose the correct answer. The worldwide network of computers that is growing at a rapid rate is internet. Computer network organized around a person, means in a particular range around a person only. It is known as what? PAN, personal area network. Computer network that usually covers a larger area than a LAN, it is WAN, wide area network. The information is transmitted across the internet in the form of a bundles called as packets. The cable most commonly used in computer networking is UTP, untwisted pair. Okay, untwisted. The device used to connect computers in a network is known as router. Next one is a network that spans countries and continents. It is known as MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A device used to connect computers in a network is referred to as, here the options, out of these options, वैसे तो the answer is router, but among these options it is a switch. A topology in which every computer is connected to every other computer. So such a topology is known as the ring topology, in which a closed loop is formed. It transmits data in the form of light rather than electronic signals. So such transmission is done through optical fiber cable. So now let us move ahead towards the second question. Fill in the blanks. A network that is limited to a small geographical area such as a laboratory, so that network is known as LAN, local area network. The internet is an example of packet switched network. It's packet, PACKET, packet switch, SWITCHED, packet switched network. Central node dependency problem arises in network arises with star topology. Okay, it's star topology. The device that can convert digital signals into analog form and vice versa is known as a modem. MODEM, modem. Next one is a device that is used to connect computers in a network is called router. ROUTER, router. A transmission medium that transmits data in the form of light signals is referred to as optical fiber cable. It's optical fiber cable. OPTICAL, optical, FIBRE, fiber, CABLE, cable. Next one is the data is transmitted across the internet in the form of a little bundles, and those little bundles are known as packets. PACKETS, packets. Dash refers to the layout patterns in which the computers are connected to each other in a network. So the answer will be topology. TOPOLOGY. It is refers to the layout patterns, arrangement of network. Now the next one is a dash is formed when the computers are connected in a neighborhood area. Neighborhood area में जब computers connected होते हैं, what it is? It is WAN, wide area network. The point of connection to the network are called nodes. NODES, nodes. A dash is a set of rules used by computer on the network to communicate with each other. It's protocol. PROTOCOL. Protocol is a set of rules and regulations to establish a communication or send data. Now we have to write the full forms. Modem. The full form of modem is modulation, demodulation. Modulation, 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 demodulation. DEMODULATION, modulation and demodulation. Next one is FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. FILE, file. TRANSFER, transfer. PROTOCOL, protocol. Next one is SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple SIMPLE simple, MAIL mail, then TRANSFER transfer, then protocol PROTOCOL simple mail transfer protocol. Now next one is UDP. The full form of UDP is students. Okay, the full form of UDP full form is user datagram protocol. User DATAGRAM datagram protocol. Then HZ stands for hertz. Okay, now next one. Answer the following. Which type of network out of LAN, WAN and MAN is formed when you connect two mobiles using Bluetooth or to transfer a video? Wैसे the answer would be PAN, but here the options given are these only, so we have to choose LAN here. Otherwise the option would be PAN, PAN. Next one is, since every node is directly connected to a server, a large amount of cable is needed, which increases the installation cost of the network. So the topology here is connected to a server, means central hub. The topology here used is star topology. Star topology. Next one, it has a single common data path connecting all nodes. Single common data path means bus, so it is known as bus topology. Now next one, Daniel has to share the data among various computers of his two office branches situated in the same city. Okay, it's talking about the same city. So which of the network is formed in this process? It's wide area network, WAN. Agar this happened in different countries, so it would be metropolitan area network. Now next one is, Mahesh wants to transfer data within a city at very high speed. Okay, write the wire transmission and net type of network. Wire transmission is optical fiber. And as it's very high speed is required, so the network type used will be MAN. Okay, metropolitan area network, because at very high speed it is given. Now identify the domain name and URL. Here the domain name here is what? Income.in. Okay, so domain name is income.in and URL is this whole http://www.income.in home.aboutus.in.html. So students, this was it. Okay, I hope you understood the answers. Thank you so much.